10 things egg does to your body. 1. Muscle building and repair. The high-quality protein in eggs contains all the essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for supporting muscle growth and repair. 2. Hair and skin health. Eggs contain vitamins and minerals, including biotin and selenium, which are important for maintaining healthy hair and skin. 3. Bone health. Eggs are a good source of vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone health. Adequate vitamin D is important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 4. Brain function. Choline, found in eggs, is important for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in mood and memory regulation. It contributes to cognitive function and may have a positive impact on brain health. 5. Reduced risk of stroke. Some studies suggest that regular egg consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of stroke. However, more research is needed to establish a definitive link. 6. Antioxidant properties. Eggs contain antioxidants such as selenium and lutein, which help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. 7. Low in calories. Eggs are relatively low in calories, making them a satisfying and nutrient-dense food choice for those looking to manage their calorie intake. 8. Regulation of blood sugar levels. The protein in eggs can help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those trying to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. 9. Economic and sustainable. Eggs are a cost-effective source of nutrition, and raising chickens for egg production can be a sustainable and environmentally friendly practice. 10. Aid in nutrient absorption. The fat in eggs can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe to my channel for more update on healthy tips.